Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way of how you can remove the background from an image using GIMP. So first let's drag and drop this image to the application, and the tool that I'll be using is called Paths. So go ahead and select it, and Paths is basically a manual approach, so it does take some time and patience, but at the end you'll get very great results, so it's worth the time. So now we have to zoom in on the object that we want to keep, in this case the pyramids, and just left click. And now what we have to do is just go through the pyramids like this and select them. And if you accidentally click somewhere you didn't mean to, what you can do to go back is just hit Ctrl+Z and it's going to take you back. Okay, so now go ahead and select the object. And now right before you click on the final point here, what you must do is click Ctrl on the keyboard and then select this point. Otherwise you're not going to be able to close this loop. So now once you've finished selecting, hit enter on the keyboard, and as you can see now selection has been created. So this is the final view, and what we have to do now is navigate to select and click on invert. Right, so now we're ready to delete the background. Hit the delete button on your keyboard, and that's it. Now normally you should see a transparent background on your image, but in this case there's something wrong with GIMP, and if you also see this white background, what you have to do is navigate here to layers, right click, and then click on add alpha channel, and that's it. Now you can click delete again and the background is gone. Now we're ready to go to File, Export As, and now we can save this image as PNG, export. I don't need background color, and that's it. Now let's take a look at this image with no background. So thanks for watching. If this was useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.